So today we are going to discuss the cytokines. Cytokines are regulatory proteins. These are low molecular weight glycoproteins because less than 30 kilodalton. These cytokines are help in development of immune response uh, together with the lymphoid cell, inflammatory cells, and hematopoietic cells. Lymphoid cells like B cell and T cells, in inflammatory cells like in macrophages, neutrophil, and eosinophil. Cytokines are secreted by WBCs, particularly T helper cells. Cytokines are regulating the development of effector cells. Sometimes cytokines show direct effector response. Let's continue with properties of cytokine. Cytokine binds to specific receptor. Cytokine and their receptor have high affinity to each other because their dissociation constant is 10 to the power minus 10 to 10 to the power minus 12 molar. Dissociation constant is affinity between two molecules. Let's suppose the affinity between ligand and receptor, that is called the dissociation constant. So the dissociation constant of cytokines and its receptor is 10 to the power minus 10 to 10 to the power minus 12 molar. Because of their high affinity, even at picomolar concentration, it perform various biological activity. Cytokines also perform autocrine and paracrine function. It may also perform endocrine function. Autocrine function means cytokines bind to the receptor of stem cell secreted. Then in paracrine function, cytokines bind to the receptor of cells in its close proximity. Cytokines actually produced by T helper cells. Cytokines have several properties like redundancy, synergism, and cascade induction. Redundancy means two or more cytokines mediate similar function are said to be redundant. Synergism means combined effect of two or more cytokines is greater than the additive effect of individual cytokines. In antagonism, effect of one cytokine inhibit the effect of another cytokines. In cascade induction, the action of one cytokine on target cell induces the production of cytokines, which in turn target other cells to produce other cytokines. Cytokines are secreted by lymphocytes. They are called lymphokines, and cytokines secreted by monocyte and macrophages are called monokines. Several other examples of cytokines is interleukin. They are called interleukin because they are secreted by leukocytes, and other cytokines like interferon and tumor necrosis factor. Cytokines like chemokines are help in chemokines are help in chemotaxis. Chemotaxis mean movement of cells or organism in response to the chemical stimulus. Cytokines share similar properties with hormone and growth factor. Cytokine and hormone secreted in response to discrete stimuli. The secretion is short-lived, ranging from few hours to few days. Hormones act on a longer distance. Most cytokines act over short distances. In 1960, cytokines are discovered in 1960 when penetrans are derived from in vitro culture of lymphocytes. Cytokines are belong to the four structural family. First one is hematopoietic family, then interferon family, then chemokine family, and then tumor necrosis factor family. Hematopoietic family include interleukin 2 and interleukin 4. They differ considerably in amino acid sequence. So let's discuss the function of cytokines. So mainly cytokines are secreted by T helper cells and macrophages. Cytokines help in cellular and humoral immune response, in induction of inflammatory response, regulation of hematopoiesis, control the cell proliferation, differentiation, and healing of wounds, immune response to specific antigens, help induce the production of cytokines. These are all the function of cytokines.